Ciao a tutti, ciao ciao ciao. Pew pew pew, pew pew pew, pew pew pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellen Hinayon, Ellen Traveling Kitchen, and for today's vlog, guys, I am going to show you. I will unbox my kitchenware. So come on, let's go on my kitchen, and please don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe. Stay tuned. So let's go, guys. I'm going to show you the new kitchenwares that we had bought online because last year we are in Portugal, and we dispose and give to our friends like our stuff. So this is just being thankful and for having my salary in YouTube channel. And yes, finally I got my kitchenwares. So the first that I'm going to unbox is this Zero E. It's a mobile umbrella tripod, and this is a first, well, not really the first gift that I received being a YouTuber. And my friend Leslie Joy, she's a Filipina living in Aveiro, Portugal, and she is giving me this because she said that I deserve to have this, and she owned a camera shop in Aveiro, Portugal. So there you go, guys. I'm going to unbox this. Sorry, lately it took me so long to unbox this, and I did not use this yet. Oh my god, oh my god, false. Okay, look. Haba kasi. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is basically a tripod. It's adorable. So I don't know how to use this yet. I have to read the manual, but this is basically with the okay, so this is the unlock flip lock, okay, and slide up and down. Wow, so cool. Ooh, look. Yes, and I can see there is a remote here. Yes, so probably you need a Bluetooth for this to your cell phone. So that's it, guys. This is for my tripod. And thank you. Obrigada, amiga mia. Obrigada, a minha amiga. Esperamos que vamos encontrar quando visitar Portugal. Okay. And of course, guys, my favorite champagne girl. Then the next that I'm going to unbox is this clever mix Bosch. Of course, this is a super sale. I'm just gonna do this very quickly, everything together. Okay. Oh, so here we go. So I have a machine now for my tiramisu. You can do this with a tiramisu, with a foaming with any nestle cream, as we call it in the Philippines, or with a white egg for your dessert. Basically, I am using this 101% for my tiramisu and for my Italian sweets. So that goes with a. So here you go. Yes, and I'm so sure that I'm going to enjoy. I am so sure that I'm going to enjoy this. And for the next that I am going to unbox is this Rosso Hubs Cookum food steamer. So everybody, Filipinas love a siomai or dumplings, so steamed dumplings. So here we go, guys, lovely friends. Okay. Wow, it's so difficult, guys, without a filmer and doing this film. I'm not really used with unboxing because I'm more on cooking and, you know, showing travel. But since this is so helpful for my kitchen, so I think this is a plastic silicone. Yeah. 1, 2, probably a 3 layers, guys, 3 layers. So that's it. Okay, and this one, the bottom. So I'm not gonna bring it everything. And I am so excited as well because Saturday this coming Saturday, our online we buy in Amazon the champagne glass. Okay, because we love champagne, and instead of drinking alcohols like that, so for me I love champagne or sparkling wine better than alcohols because I have a problem with my acid reflux. And last but not the least, this one, because I'm going to show you guys how to, well, not really how to make mango shake, because everybody knows how to make mango shake, but I'm just gonna do with this beautiful blender. So I guess it's 7 kilos or something. Biceps. Oh, I broke. Okay, frullatore in Italiano. Frullatore blender, guys, blender. Ta-da. Oh, my way is so... Okay, fair enough. This one, okay, put it there. And ta-da! So guys, we're gonna try. gonna blend with mango. So we're gonna make a mango shake, guys. So ice, we need a mango, and I am using a Nestle condensed milk. Okay. Oh my god. Ano daw? Okay. There is a sign here. Unlock, unlock. Okay. Okay. I know. I can perfectly understand now. Okay, that one. So just slide this position, and then we're going to unlock. Okay, first time. Sorry. Igno lang. Sige daw. Pause. What? Is it okay, yeah? Okay, ready? Oh my god. Wait. Guys, take note, this is the most critical problems if you don't read manuals. Diatay ko dasay. Discrezione del lavoratore. Italiana. Fatto questo. Dispositivo di blocco. Aspetta un po'. Hindi man ako kasi left-handed, ay.